What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and this is the pre-order video for my 11th pour party. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video, I sincerely appreciate it. This is the pre-order video for my 11th pour party, and it's actually my last pour party of the year. So kind of sad, I won't be doing any till January, but we do have a lot of really awesome new molds that I'm going to show you in this video for the party tonight, as well as some giveaways we're going to be doing. So lots of fun stuff. Now, if you've never been to a pour party, what it is I'll be pouring silver live, and people will be picking out which piece they like. So they're a ton of fun. It's going to be at 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time, right here on my channel. So make sure that you got the bell turned on so you're notified when I go live. Okay, now if you want to order anything, there's 3 different ways to do it. You can either leave a comment down below in this video, you can send me a direct message on Instagram, or you can shoot me an email at silverdragons47@gmail.com. That's my preferred way. So I got your email, and then I can correspond with you after the party. Okay, so the silver I'll be pouring tonight is going to be the same price as all my other pour parties. It's $28 per ounce, and it is free USA shipping, of course. Now, during the party, I'm going to be doing 3 giveaways. First one is going to be for a 1/2 ounce generic round. Of course, you'll get my new sticker. It's the 47th Dragon Legion sticker, so really cool. First time these stickers are actually going out. There will be another giveaway for a 1/4 ounce generic round and a 1/10 ounce generic round. So 3 giveaways tonight. Those are going to go to people in the chat. So to win those, you actually got to be live during the party, but you don't have to buy anything. So you just got to participate in the questions I ask, and if you get it right first, then you win. So those are really fun. But let's talk about the molds. I actually have 4 new molds tonight. So really cool. I'm going to start with those, and then I'll talk about some of the older molds that we have. So this first one here is crazy cool. See if we can get it to focus. There we go. It's basically like a skull warrior king. So it's like a warrior of the dead or something like that. But really sweet. He's got like his Viking horns, I guess. So it is around, this is probably going to be around 3 or maybe even 4 ounces. So definitely on the bigger side, but it's going to have crazy cool ripples. I already know that because it's a bigger piece. So if you want to pre-order one of those, just let me know. That's going to be really fun. Definitely going to be pouring that tonight. I do have a pyramid, and I just got this in the mail. So I don't know how these are going to pour, but I think they're going to be really awesome. I'm expecting them to be around probably 3 or 4 ounces as well. I'm not sure, but this looks like it's on the bigger side. Look how deep that is. So very interesting mold. Really excited to pour the pyramids and see how those turn out. Now this one here, I'm very excited for. It's basically the skull piece that is on Pirates of the Caribbean. So it's probably going to be around 2, maybe 3 ounces, but there is quite a bit of detail in here, and these are going to look really great, antiqued or polished, I think. So very, very excited for that piece. First time offering that piece as well. And then we do have a dragon. I promised everyone we would have a dragon at one of the pour parties before the year is out. So let's get this to focus here. There we go. So this is the Flourish Dragon design. And this is really, really cool piece. There's some good detail in the dragon. I think these are going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 or 3 ounces. So not too big, definitely smaller than the eagles that I did at my last party, but really cool dragon. Very excited for that. And those should have some good ripples as well, because that's a very wide piece. Okay. Now, some of the other ones we're going to be offering are ones we've done previously. We will be bringing back the eagle. Lots of people love the eagle. These are incredibly cool. They're around 4 ounces. Some of the smaller ones we got around 3 ounces, but those are very cool. Insanely cool ripples on those. We will be doing the hearts again. People love to get hearts. I do have one order already for a heart without any ripples, so I'll be pouring one like that. So that'll be pretty fun. We'll be doing the American flag again, made in the USA. Love these. Those end up usually super cool. I'll be doing just a regular round. So let me know if you want a regular round. These are going to be probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 1.5 to 2 ounces. I'll be doing regular bars. Those are somewhere in the neighborhood of 2 to 3 ounces. And I will be doing the Kit Kats, which are about 1.5 ounces. We'll be offering the, what is this? This is the shape of a coffin, of course. It's a coffin bar. Probably not going to focus that well, but that's okay. You can get the picture. It's a coffin-shaped bar. Those are around 2 to 2.5 ounces. Really cool. I love pouring those. And then we'll be offering the massive skull. Again, this is the 5-ounce skull. These are really cool. They usually have insanely awesome ripples. So I'm very stoked for the massive skulls. So let me know if you want to pre-order any of those pieces. And I hope to see you all tonight at the party. Silver Dragons out.